Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absently. 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 Absently is an adverb that describes doing something in a distracted or inattentive manner, often when one's thoughts are elsewhere. It indicates that a person is not fully focused on the action they are performing. Here are some examples. Example number 1, she absently stirred her coffee, lost in thought about the upcoming presentation. Why absently use in example number 1? In this example, absently is used to describe how she stirred her coffee in a distracted or absent-minded manner while her thoughts were focused on the presentation. Example number 2, he absently flipped through the pages of the book, his mind wandering to a distant memory. Why absently use in example number 2? Absently is used to convey that he was flipping through the pages of the book without paying full attention, as his mind was preoccupied with a memory. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.